Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of Crypto Meets Comfort. I'm PiPhi Kel, this is the PiPhi Network, and today we're going to be talking about what happens after you add your first integration. Let's get started. So first, we'll head over to Connected Apps, and you'll be presented with some basic information about the integration you just connected. So first, you'll see a friendly name, which is automatically generated after you add the integration, the domain, the UUID, and the network ID. We'll talk about the network ID a little bit later. For now, we'll talk about how to change your integration's friendly name. First, head over to Actions. Click Edit, and you'll be presented with a form and a text box where you can alter your friendly name. In this example, I'm just going to name it My Aware Element. Once I finish entering a name, I click Update. The page is refreshed. We head back to Connected Apps, and you will see your friendly name has been updated. Lastly, before we wrap up this video, I want to talk about the rewards opt-in. This provides users like yourself an opportunity to opt into the PiPhi Network Rewards program, in which, in exchange for sensor data collected by your connected integrations, we reward you with our token. Let's begin. So opting in is very simple. All you need to do is hit this rewards opt-in toggle. And there you go. You've been opted in. Now, all the data that's collected from your integration is sent to the PiPhi network. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye for now.